Back on up, because today we're testing out a new computer backup battery and surge protector from SKE Smart Energy. When I first opened the box, I was happy to see it was not a box of bricks, and instead my first computer backup battery. Even the box acknowledges the heaviness and gives you safe ways to unbox it. The device is 28.1 pounds, so better be safe than sorry and follow the directions when unboxing. This 1500 volt 900 watt battery backup has 4 battery backup and surge protected outlets, as well as 4 standard surge protected outlets. To use it, it's as simple as plugging in the devices you want to survive a power outage into the battery surge protector outlet. Turn it on and you're good to go. The package comes with 3 things: the device, a USB to connect your computer, and a manual. That's it. It's pretty straightforward. It uses a 5-foot long power cable, so you can have versatility in where you end up putting this guy. Once it's plugged in, the LCD screen turns on and you can see the voltage input. Press and hold the button in the front and the device turns on. The LCD screen lights up clear as day and you can now see voltage output, load level, and battery level. And now you're ready for a freak power outage that you weren't expecting. And like that, the main power in the house is out, but your device remains on, uninterrupting your work and keeping you happy. If you want to be happy in a power outage too, then maybe this battery backup is for you. Link to this product can be found in the description below. But that's it for me today. Now that my computer's protected and safe from power outages, I'm gonna go play some Overwatch. I mean get some work done. See ya.